Kidneys area unit little organs that play a significant role keep you healthy. They're a part of your tract and work to filter your blood. What they filtrate is passed out as body waste. If you've ever had a kidney stone, you are well aware of your kidneys. Passing a stone has been likened to giving birth. It's not fun. Kidney infections are very dangerous. Kidney renal cancer causes about 14,000 deaths annually, with 63,990 new cases diagnosed each year. Help keep kidneys operating happily and healthily by enjoying these drinks. In fact, one might be growing in your yard right this moment. One. Turmeric tea. Turmeric is another spruce with amazing wellness properties. This is an effective anti-inflammatory and proven to stop infection involving chronic kidney illness. Turmeric appears to end leaky instinct, also involving persistent inflammation. Turmeric reduces blood pressure levels, the next leading reason for kidney disease. As it also gets better liver purpose, drinking turmeric beverage is a fantastic kidney clean. 2. Cranberry juice. Cranberry liquid is a popular and generally effective treatment for bladder infections. Because it gets blocked through the kidneys very first, cranberry liquid may help hold kidneys healthier. Bladder and urinary system attacks are unpleasant. Kidney infections that result from bacteria traveling from the endocrine system into the kidneys can be deadly. Cranberry liquid may also avoid renal rocks. Choose cranberry juice, not concentrate or cocktail. Straight cranberry juice can be quite a bit tart, so dilute with liquid. 3. Lemon liquid. Many people have heard about lemon juice for fat flush and liver cleansing. Lemon and orange juice contain citrate that will help eliminate calcium from kidneys, thus steering clear of the growth of kidney stones. Squeeze 4 or 5 lemons into a quart of cold water and beverage. Press your juices from fresh fruit because shop-brought types possess a large amount of extra sugar, and also the pasteurization process breaks down nutrients. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe this channel. 4. Stinging nettle. Stinging nettle is really a plant through a long reputation for utilizes in standard organic medication. It's known to reduce inflammation and it is full of antioxidants. Stinging nettle is approved for use in many countries in Europe for the treatment of renal disorders. Because it is a diuretic, stinging nettle helps flush microorganisms through the urinary system. Take in a supplementary cup of water with each cup of tea to aid the kidneys flush. 5. Ginger tea. Ginger is certainly one spruce with lots of health advantages. Research backs up the advantages of ginger. It eliminates toxins and decreases swelling involving kidney condition. Grate unpeeled clean ginger into hot water, cover it and invite it to move for 5 or maybe more moments. If you need a sweetener, put in a touch of honey and luxuriate in. This tea will help a cough and soothe an annoyed stomach, including morning vomiting. It would likely additionally reduce cholesterol levels and battle infections. 6. Beet juice. Beet juice is really a terrific kidney cleanser and will boost your liver wellness too. Beet liquid is full of antioxidants that remove free radicals, while the beets boost urine acidity. This can help eliminate calcium, lowering the chance of establishing kidney stones. Beets help clean your blood, encouraging that the main kidney's job. A quick Google search yields many beet juice dishes, ranging from lemon, ginger, beet up to a spicy basil, beet to watermelon and beet juices. 7. Dandelion beverage. Everyone understands the irritating dandelion, but are you aware this is a healthy food choice's origin? The entire dandelion is edible and it is good for your kidneys. Dandelion tea is an excellent source of nutrients A, B complex, C and D, iron, potassium, and zinc. It's a diuretic, make you urinate much more, and replaces potassium lost in urine. Dandelions are used in Native American medicines to take care of renal infection. It's an anti-inflammatory and dissolves renal rocks. Talk to a doctor initially and employ it limited to 30 days at any given time. If you love this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.